Find the highest common factor and lowest common multiples of 24 and 36 using Venn diagram. This is how I explain in one of my online classes with my students. Firstly, we need to find the factors of 24 and 36. And what are factors? In mathematics, factors are numbers that can divide any number without a remainder. So if you have 24, the smallest factors that can divide mostly any number in mathematics, we start from 2. Yeah, 2. If you 2 divide 24, 2 divide 24, we are going to have 12. Yeah, and if you divide 12 by 2, we are also going to have 6. If you divide 6 by 2, we are going to have 3. Yeah, so we stop here. Then we go to 36. Yeah, 36 is the next number. If you divide by 2, we have 18. 18 divided by 2, we have 9. And I can't divide 9 by 2. We are going to have a remainder, so I will use 3. 3 divided by 9 divided by 3 is 3. So right now I need to draw the Venn diagram, and this is how the Venn diagram looks like in mathematics. Yeah, this is Venn diagram. It was discovered by John Venn. Yeah, this is how it looked like, and I'll draw. I'll have 2 because it is 2 different number. This can be for 24 and this can be for 36. So what I'm going to do now, I will come back here, and because I have these 2, we cancel these 2, so they have that in common. I'll write it here. So 2 and 2, they have that in common. I'll write it here also. So 3 and 3 is common. I'll write it here. So this is what they have in common. So what I'm going to do now is also 3 is left here, so 3 will be here. So 2 is also left here, and the 2 will also be here. So now the question is, how can I find the highest common factor? The highest common factor is to actually be equals to what I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply what they have in common. 2 times 2 times 3, so 2 times 2 times 3. So my answer is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Yeah. So the highest common factor between 24 and 36 is 12. So what I'm going to do now is how can I find the lowest common multiple? To find the lowest common multiple using Venn diagram is quite also very simple. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply everything that sorry, this 3 is not supposed to be here. This is a mistake. The 3 is supposed to be here. Yeah, that's a mistake from my end. Sorry. So the lowest common multiple will be, I'll multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Yeah, so what I'm having is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And if I also like, I can write it as 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 2 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power of 2. So I'm writing it in index form. So what I'm going to have now is 2 times 2 times 2, that is definitely going to be 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Then this will be 3 times 3, that is 9. So what I'm going to do now is if 8 times 8 is 64, yeah, so if 8 times 8 is 64, 64 blocks 6. So 8 times 9 is 72. So the lowest common multiple for 24 and 36 is 72, while the highest common factor is 12. Yeah, so this is how I explain to my students using Venn diagram to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple between 2 different numbers. Thank you.